In this video, I'm going to take you through Ledger's latest release and how you can now safely swap your tokens with Ledger Swap. Welcome to Every Bit Helps. I hope you find today's video useful, and if you do, then please give it a like and share. Plus, for the latest information on Ledger, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. For those of you who are Ledger users, you may be interested to hear that you can now easily swap from one crypto asset to another directly through Ledger Live. Ledger previously released the ability to buy crypto with Ledger Live and have now gone one step further with their swap function, meaning you no longer have to leave the safety of your wallet and head over to an exchange to try out new tokens. With Ledger Swap, you can remain in complete control of your crypto whilst making the exchanges that you want. And they've made this all possible as a result of their partnership with Changelly. As you're most probably aware, crypto exchanges, where many assets are held, are far more likely a target to get hacked. Plus, when you use an exchange, they own the key to the addresses they give you, meaning you don't really own the assets, and the exchange can limit what you can do with your crypto. However, with Ledger, access to your cryptocurrencies is completely offline and out of reach of hackers. Not only is the solution secure, but so is their swap feature, with no swap taking place without your manual consent. And any asset that you swap are immediately in your possession and completely in your control, since that you own the private keys. There are 50 different crypto assets available to swap, including the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and all through Ledger Live. And this is just another feature added to Ledger, so now Ledger users can not only buy and store their tokens, but they can now also exchange them. Now, one thing to mention here is that this feature, powered by Changelly, is not available in all countries, unfortunately. For example, for those of you from the United States or Japan, it's not actually available. So let's jump into it. And to get started, you'll need to open up the Ledger Live Manager app, which I'm opening up on my Mac. You'll want to ensure that you're using version 2.14.0 or later, which you can download and install from the top here. Now, if like me, you have issues with updates, you can also download the Ledger Live app directly from Ledger's website. Once installed, you'll see the release notes introducing Swap. And now that Swap is included, you'll see it as an option on the left-hand side of the screen, just under Buy, where you then may be prompted to allow Manager, and also asked to tick the box at the bottom of the screen here to accept that your location data will be shared with third-party service providers in order for them to comply with their AML or KYC procedures, where you'll then be prompted to install the Exchange app on your device if this is the first time, and it'll take you over to Manager to install this. Under Manager, Exchange will automatically be entered under the App Catalog search, and you can go ahead and install the Exchange app now. Once completed, the app will then appear under your apps installed. And now that's installed, we'll head over to Swap again on the left-hand side of the screen. So now we can go ahead and swap within Ledger Live. So first, we'll need to select the crypto asset we'd like to swap from. And as you can see, any tokens that I have are highlighted in bold here. And anything greyed out are tokens where I don't have accounts with an active balance. So in this example, I'll select Ethereum, and it'll ask me for the associated account. Then you can enter the amount that you'd like to send or swap from here, or you can select max at the top here. And it'll show you the amount in ETH and in dollars here too. Next, we're selecting the crypto that we'd like to exchange to. And when we scroll down the list, we'll see all the assets where we have the apps installed on Ledger. Any greyed out are apps that we don't have installed. And this is because when you're swapping, you need to have the app installed on Ledger Live Manager so that you can receive that asset. Now you will see that there's quite a few that are in bold here, and that's because I have the Ethereum app installed, and these are all Ethereum-based tokens. Now if I wanted to swap to Dogecoin, for example, you'll see that I have that exclamation mark stating that I don't have the app installed. So if I wanted to swap for this token, I'll need to head across to the manager from the left of the screen here. And under the app catalogue, I'll need to search and then install the app. Then if I head back to swap, you can see that I can now swap to Dogecoin as it's no longer greyed out. And I'll need to add a new account here. Open the app on my device. Add the account. And as you can see, the account has now been successfully added. And I can then see the amount that I'll receive, and the rate that I see here is fixed and will therefore be the amount that I'll receive. And this is refreshed every 60 seconds. Then all you need to do to exchange is open the exchange application on your device, and after verifying the information on your device, you can confirm the swap. So that's how you can now safely swap your tokens with Ledger Swap. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.